90-Day Fiancé Bombshell. Ilesanmi's claims about Angela Deem's past. The star of 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After. In his response to Angela Deem's annulment lawsuit, Ilesanmi leveled some startling charges against her. In January 2020, Michael and Angela tied the knot in Lagos, and Happily Ever After Season 5 featured footage from their nuptials. Angela no longer desires to be married to Michael. She is alleging that he deceived her into getting married. Because Michael left her 2 months after arriving in the United States, Angela has been upset. Michael claimed that Angela treated him like a nobody and that he was tired of their conflicts and clashes. Michael, from with the roughly $44,000 that supporters have contributed to his fundraising, 90-Day Fiancé has engaged an attorney and is now alleging that Angela has physically and mentally assaulted him. Sarcasm claims that in response to Angela's annulment, Michael, who is represented by Andrea Johnson, requested a divorce. Michael asserted that Angela had received cruel treatment and charged that she had been the victim of physical and mental abuse. Michael claims that this harassment happened in both public and private settings, given that some of the claimed abuse was recorded while Angela and Michael were filming reality television shows. It appears that Michael is alluding to the way Angela treated him on camera. Ilesanmi asks for an annulment instead of a divorce. In June 2024, Angela filed her annulment request. According to In Touch, the documents said that Michael and Angela had been living apart for 30 days before the filing. Because Michael was trying to obtain legal permanent resident status in the United States, Angela said that he had fraudulently induced her to marry him. Additionally, Michael was charged by Angela with planning to deceive other American residents into marrying him in order to enter the nation illegally, along with other Nigerian males. Michael's immigration status is in jeopardy since Angela wants to make sure there was never a marriage. Michael may have to return home if Angela is granted an annulment. Michael's paperwork indicates that he wishes to get a divorce from Angela. Michael said that both parties entered into and are still in a valid marriage that was physically consummated. Angela, on the other hand, sought an annulment because she thought Michael had married her only to get immigration status. He denied ever having committed a fraud during their marriage. He gave an explanation of how their valid relationship led to their choice marriage. In order to protect himself, Michael also disclosed that he left an abusive situation. It is advised that Angela protect and preserve evidence relevant to the issues in this case/action. Michael has requested that Angela's annulment request be denied. Even though he has raised thousands of dollars through the campaign, he still wants Angela to pay for both temporary and permanent spousal support, as well as the costs of the lawsuit and attorney's fees. Season 8 of 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After. Stars Angela most likely did not anticipate Michael's response to contain such assertions. Angela had no idea Michael would answer at all. She hoped for a default decision to nullify their marriage because he was served via an advertisement in a local newspaper.